Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys some Miniso products, like a haul kind of. There's not much, but there are few products which I wanted to show you guys and share my review on those products. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you think of this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product is this one. Actually I bought it from Amazon. Amazon also has a Miniso's product, so I brought it from there, and the rest are all from the store. So this one only is from Amazon. So it's a wipe ka box. It has, I guess, 1000 or 1200 something wipes. I don't know, I'll link it down below. So I am very disappointed with this one. Actually, it's my fault that I didn't read the description that well, I guess. So the wipes, let me show you these. This is one wipe. This is one wipe, and you can see through it. Like, it's see through. It's so patla that you can see through it. And this is one wipe. So I guess if you buy normal size ka wipe and if you buy this, I guess normal size wipes I need maximum 2, and I'm done with my entire face, lips and eyes. This one, for my lips only, I need 2 to 3 or sometimes more than that, like more than that wipes. And for face वो तो हो ही जाओ, because 5-6 उससे भी ज़्यादा लगता है कभी. तो I guess it's waste. It is waste. मतलब इतना सारा है इसमें, that is okay, but you need so many and it's so thin. So I guess it's my fault only that I didn't saw it properly and I just bought it. So it's just a waste of money. I will link it down below. If you want, you can just check it out, but I would not recommend this one. So yeah, the first product is this one. The second product is again wipes, face wipes. Yeah, so I brought this because I was so disappointed and I thought that choro, let me buy it from store directly, and I went there and I picked up few products which I will be showing you, of course, and this wipe also because I needed it. इससे कुछ काम नहीं हो रहा था, so I needed another proper wipe. So let me show you the wipes. Size, I mean the normal wala wipes only, this much size, and it's pretty good. The material is really good. I mean कितना 1 से हो जाएगा. अगर बहुत heavy मेकअप है तो फिर maximum 2 में पूरा face का मेकअप निकल जाएगा, and then after that few more steps, of course, whatever you people do. So yeah, I really love this मतलब ये बहुत, I really love this one particularly, so I'm not disappointed at all. The material is also good, as I said. So it has 120 sheets and it costed me what, 150 maybe or 200, I don't remember. And यहाँ पे I don't know, यहाँ पे it's not given here, the price is not given here, so I can't tell you. Maybe I can search it from their website and I'll be giving it the prices here or here somewhere here. So yeah, that's the second product. I really love it. The third product is, okay, so it's this sponge. Okay, this is the beauty blender and I have already started using it. All the products here I have already started using it because Puja mein I bought these products, and so utne din tak to I couldn't wait because I needed these all. So yeah, I started using this one. So the beauty blender, it came with a pack of 2. There were 2 types of beauty blender. One which had the holder thing, which was like everywhere on YouTube. I saw everyone buying that. So I didn't buy that one because I think the holder wala thing, I will lose it or I'll throw it after a few days because I keep it with my makeup bag, inside my makeup bag. So I don't think I'll be keeping my beauty blender का holder उसमें. So पहले कुछ दिन maybe I'll use it and then I'll throw it away. So I thought that waste. I know I won't be using that, so I didn't bought it. But you people can try it. I don't know the material of that one, but this one actually it came with two. The first one I started using it and I spoiled it totally. मतलब it was color actually निकल ही नहीं रहा था, so I had to throw it away. Nothing to do. So then I started this one. At first it was kind of really hard. I mean मैंने पैक का यूज़ किया है, so वो तो शुरू से ही it was very soft, but I don't know why this felt really hard. अभी तो I'm using it and अभी ठीक है, अभी फिर भी ठीक है, पर पहले शुरू में it was very hard. I was not able to use it properly. So I don't know उसका मटेरियल कैसा होगा. I don't know. I think that will be good. But yeah, this is okay. I won't say buy it, but yeah, it's cheap. I mean it came I guess 150 का maybe though. I don't know. I don't remember actually. So this is okay, not so good. This is okay. Yeah. So the fourth product, quite a few actually, which is these. As you can see, I love these because I picked up so many. These are nail polish remover. So yes, I have used this pehle bhi and it's really nice, like really nice. You can remove like one nail with one swipe only. One से ही पूरा निकल जाता है, तो it's really nice. It's I guess 90 rupees. Yeah, it's 90 rupees. And so I got it like 3 of them because बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है मेरा nail polish remover. So I had to stock it up. So yeah, this is the fourth product and I really like it. You guys can buy it if you want. So I would recommend these. So the fifth product, which is this USB cable, the charger. Actually ये मैंने मम्मी के लिए लिया है. मम्मी का जो चार्जर का जो केबल था, USB केबल, वो टूट गया था, तो इसीलिए I thought of picking this up. The quality is really nice and it's long, as you can see. As you can see, this is quite long and material is also really nice. The quality is really nice. Yeah, that's the sixth product or fifth product. I forgot. It is this pocket perfume. So I was checking out उस time. ये side में ही था, तो I thought why not, and yeah, it's good. I mean, yeah, perfect for getaway. I mean, you are going out, just throw it in your purse and you're good to go. You don't need to bring with you those huge bottle of perfumes. This is perfect actually. ये pocket, of course, this is pocket perfume. So jeans के pocket में भी आराम से आ जाएगा. So this is worth buying. It is for 75 rupees. It's nice and doesn't hurt your pocket as well. I mean the money. Yeah. Okay. So the next product. Speaking of perfumes, how can I not buy perfume when I'm going to Miniso, right? So this is one of my favorite products from this haul. Like I have one more. 2 products are my favorite, absolute favorite, and this one too is absolutely favorite product. So this is this gorgeous perfume. The name is Dazzle Aurora and it's 100 ml. It was I guess 500 or 550 rupees. I don't remember it. But it smells, oh my god, it smells so nice. I have to. Oh. Yes, I had to apply that. Yes, and it smells really good. Like I'm obsessed with this one. Normally I'm obsessed with perfumes and this one, it smells so good. Of course I had to use it. I had to buy this. And fun fact, when I went to the store, I was trying out perfumes, the testers, and then I tried out this one and ये सिर्फ एक ही था वहाँ पे. मतलब टेस्टर था और पैकेट एक ही था, मतलब इट वॉज ऑल सोल्ड आउट एंड वन वॉज ओनली लेफ्ट एंड द स्मेल ऑफ कोर्स you can't say actually. I am saying it smells really good, so I smelled it and I found it perfect. I had to take it, so I took it. And then uske baad I went to there are two stores, Miniso का दो store है, so I went on both of them and नहीं है वहाँ पे और मतलब ये इतना अच्छा है, मैं इधर उधर हमेशा स्प्रे करती रहती हूँ, इतना अच्छा है, मतलब घर पे बैठी हूँ तो आई थॉट वाई नॉट स्प्रे इट ऑन मी, सो आई डू दैट या आई डू दोज थिंग्स. सो फिर इट वॉज ऑल सोल्ड आउट स्टोर में, देन आई थॉट ऑफ गोइंग टू अमेज़ॉन एंड सर्चिंग फॉर इट. देन अमेज़ॉन पे भी मैंने ढूंढा एंड गेस व्हाट, देयर इट वॉज सोल्ड आउट टू. तो मतलब कहीं नहीं है, इट्स सोल्ड आउट. आई थॉट ऑफ बैकिंग दिस अप buying another one. It's so nice, but then it's not, I can't find it anywhere, nowhere to be found. So yeah, I'm not using it right now because I'm saving it. पता नहीं ख़त्म होने के बाद मिलेगा भी कि नहीं. So yeah, I'm saving it, but it's really nice. It's really nice. If it's there, I'll try to link it down below. If it's not there, then I can't. I'm sorry. But if I find it, I'll link it down below. If you guys find it, please buy it because it's worth buying. Name is Dazzle Aurora. I said that before. So yeah, it's really nice. So the next product is this handbag. Oh my god, I love this one. As I said, two products are my favorite from this haul. This perfume and this bag. Isn't this so nice? I know, right? And I have been seeing this transparent handbags everywhere on Instagram, Pinterest, Instagram. This is so trendy, like everywhere. And the price tag said it's for 1100, but then I don't know, some sale was going on, I don't know what. I bought it for 500 rupees. This one for 500 rupees only, yes. And it has this pouch under, so you can put anything inside. If you want not to show them, I mean if you want things not showing, then you can put it inside this pouch. It's in black color, so yeah. So it goes with every outfit. I mean even with basics also I can see myself taking this bag. Yes, everything. It's so classy and so trendy and so gorgeous. I really love this one. This one was the last product. So yeah, with that we came to an end of this video. I really hope you like this one. I mean I enjoyed making this video very much for you guys, and I'll be coming up with hauls like this very often. I guess yeah, next also there will be an haul very soon. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you don't, please give it a thumbs down, and please comment down below and say what you want to see next, or how you feel about this video, and please subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.